Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your box truck capital. We sell box trucks, cargo vans, work body trucks. We even do service, maintenance, and secure Class 8 truck parking. Anything for your material handling needs, getting your product from point A to point B, holler at us. We can take care of all your needs. Be sure to like this channel and hit the thumbs up button to see more content like this. Right here we have a 2020 Mitsubishi FUSO FE140. Now listen, if you're looking for the most simple power plant, the easiest truck that you can have on the road today, it's right here. Unarguably, the 6.0 liter V8 Vortec GMC gas engine coupled by the Allison automatic transmission. You simply can't beat it. You want a diesel? Good luck. This truck right here will keep you on the road. It will keep you moving. It will keep you in business. But on to the specifics. It only has 19,000 miles. One owner, fleet maintained. In the rear, with the gear, is an 18-foot cargo box. Plywood lined E-track, translucent roof, LED lighting, and what you're looking at here, a 2,500 pound tuck under lift gate. So if you're ready to stop messing around and get a real truck, give me a call. 405-912-5800. Keep in mind, we do offer competitive financing, nationwide warranty, and door-to-door delivery. Visit our huge inventory of box trucks online at Truck-n-Trailer.com. Thank you for watching, and we will talk to you soon.